Alright folks, here's my big PSE Polish steam engine running on steam. This is a big one, 18 or so pounds, 6-inch flywheel. I think it's about 18 inches tall. It's big and heavy, and I love it. Let's see what it looks like all the way around. Got it running off the Jensen 50 over here, and that's probably about what it takes. I don't think a 3-inch boiler would do it. I don't know the bore of these cylinders. They appear pretty big. Seem to me to be about 3/4 of an inch or so. Got a couple of drive pulleys on both sides. Took me a little bit to get it running this good, but I'm very pleased with it now. We had some issues. When the sun hits, it just glimmers. I believe this brass has got a coating on it. Seems to me it's got some kind of epoxy on it. We'll open it up a little bit. Runs just under a little under 4 pounds or 5 pounds air pressure. I don't really know with steam. Usually they run a little better on steam. We'll have no way to measure the pressure. I know we've got 18 pounds in the boiler, but I don't have it opened up near all the way either. It is a thing of beauty. I'm very happy with it now. And there we have it. Four-column, overtype, twin cylinder. Thanks for looking, folks. Bye now. Said she's powered off the big Jensen 50, and I believe it takes that to run this engine. Look how big it is compared to that. I might just let her wind down here. The boiler's been turned off. The mighty Casey's slowing down. There we go. All right, bye folks.